How to remove reviews from Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, scroll down and open any page that you want. Once you're here, tap on the Reviews option in the Details section as shown. Here, you can view the reviews of this page. You can also choose if you want to recommend this page or not. Now, go to any review and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then, tap on Hide Post. The post is hidden and you will now see fewer posts like this. You can repeat the same steps to hide the other reviews as well. Following these steps, you can easily remove reviews from Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.